Hi you guys, I hope you're all doing amazing. This is my dog Roscoe. Say hi Roscoe. And he was just trotting in here before the video started, so I figured I'd show you guys him. Right? Hopefully a little bit of happiness. I hope you guys are at home with your pets and giving them all the love like I am. Alright Roscoe. Alright you guys. So, in this video, we are going to go over how to find the slope from 2 points. Alright, so for this, we really just have to remember the formula for that, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Alright, as long as we know that formula, we should be good. Alright, so always when starting this, right, notice our formula has all those x's and y values. Right, so we want to start by labeling our points with x's and y's. Sorry guys, give me a second to get my doggy out of here. Say goodbye everybody. Alright you guys, sorry about that. So again, we're going to start by labeling our points, either x1, y1, x2, y2. Alright, so remember, just like the alphabet, X is first, right? X is first in the alphabet. X is the first one in the ordered pair, right? So our ordered pairs are always going to be X, comma, Y, right? But in this case, maybe let's switch to a darker color. Right, in this case, this is the first ordered pair I see, so I'm going to label it X1, right? Same thing with the Y, Y1. First ordered pair, x1, y1. Alright, for the second ordered pair, I'm going to label that one x2 and y2. Right, because again, it's the second one I see, I'm labeling it with 2's. Alright, so now that we have everything labeled, we just have to put the correct numbers into the correct spots of this formula. Alright, the first variable, sorry guys, I'm laughing, my dog is pawing to come in, he's so sweet. Alright, our first variable is y2, and we can see our y2 value is 6. So that's the first number I'm going to put. Alright, then notice we have a subtraction sign built into this equation. So that subtraction sign is always going to be there. Right, and the number we're subtracting is y1, which we see is 2. Right, on the bottom, we start with x2, and our x2 value we said is 4. Remember that subtraction sign is always there, and we're subtracting our x1 value, which is negative 4. So yes, in this case, there are 2 negatives, right? There is the negative that will always be there from our formula, that subtraction sign. But also, our value for x1 was negative. So yes, it is okay to have 2 negatives there, right? That's probably the biggest mistake I see on these problems is that we forget that there should be 2 negatives there. So just be on the lookout for that. All right, now that everything's plugged in, we just have to solve. All right, we know that 6 minus 2 is 4. And then on the bottom, remember when we have 2 negatives, we can use keep, change, flip. So this is actually become 4 plus 4. So we end up with 4 over 8. Right, so 4 over 8 is the answer, but that is not our final answer. Because remember, you always want to write everything in simplest form. Always. Even if it doesn't ask you to. I guarantee you, I know there's no exams this year anymore, but in the future, on any test you see, everything will be given to you in simplest form. So we've got to get in the habit of doing that. Right, 4 over 8. I know both of these numbers are divisible by 4, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to divide the top and bottom by 4, which gives us our simplified answer of 1/2. Right, 4 divided by 4 on the top is 1, and then 8 divided by 4 gives us 2 on the bottom. Alright you guys, so next example, it's all really the same exact thing. Right, we're just using this formula to figure out the slope. So again, we have to start by labeling our points. Right? First ordered pair is going to be x1, then y1. Second ordered pair is going to be x2, then y2. Alright guys, our points are labeled, so now we just have to fill them in correctly into the formula. We start with y2, which is negative 5 in this case. Then we have our subtraction sign, and we're subtracting y1, which is -9. So yes, you will see two negatives there again because of the subtraction sign that's in the equation, and also our y1 value is -9. So we do get two negatives there. All right, on the bottom, we start with x2, which is 7. And then we're subtracting our value for x1, which again is a negative number, so we're going to have two negatives there because we're subtracting -3. All right, you guys, again, now we just have to simplify this. Anytime you see two negatives, we know keep, change, change, keep, change, flip. All right, both of those are just going to become pluses. So now we have -5 plus 9 gives us 4. And then on the bottom, 7 plus 3 gives us 10. All right, guys, so again, 4/10, that is the value of our answer, but that's not our final answer. We have to simplify this fraction. And I know 4 and 10 are both divisible by 2, so I'm going to divide the top and bottom by 2, and we get our simplified answer of 2/5. All right, guys, so again, just start by labeling your points, plug your points into the formula, solve, and do not forget to simplify. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing my dog. Hopefully it wasn't too much of a distraction. All right, and if you want, feel free to send me pictures of your guys' dogs on Etsy, right? So, yeah, hopefully I'll be seeing some cute doggy pictures coming my way. All right, you guys, have a wonderful rest of your day. Keep doing great. Keep up with these review videos, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.